bear call spread tutorial. This is what we're doing today. This is another tutorial from Market Chameleon. We're going over a credit short call spread screener, which in a simple terms it's a bear call spread it. This is a bearish strategy. You have a bearish market outlook. However, you are collecting income and you make profit in three ways. Option number one, you make money if the stock stays the same. You can read all about it. Option number two, you make money if the stock goes down. And option number three, you make money if the stock goes up all the way to your short call that you sold, the call spread. So you have three ways to win, and you have a bearish outlook, assuming that you are selling out of the money call spread. If you're selling in the money call spread, you might get more premium, but then you don't have three ways to win. You have only two. You have if the stock goes down, or if the stock, or just one if the stock goes down. Basically, it depends on your strikes, of course. So we're gonna filter and see what Market Chameleon has in store for us today. But first, we're gonna go over a disclaimer and know that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. And also, my name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. So let's get to it. And in order to get to this screen, of course, 7 days trial link below. You're gonna click on screeners right here. If you check my channel the last couple of weeks, we did a couple of tutorials on this one, bull call spread debit. And on this one, this is one of my top 3 favorite strategy to sell options for income, which is a bull put spread, but I like to, people call it put credit spread. And now we're doing this one, bear call spread credit. Okay, so this is what we're doing. Click here. Now I don't want to go, you see all those results. Before the filter we have 1,400 pages, way too much. And look at all those apples, because it's filtered by market cap first before any other filters. So I'm gonna go here. Market Chameleon has a nice feature. They already have a presets of settings. And the last couple of videos we've done market laggers and edge. We've done best by upside cushion plus 10% edge. Let's do something else today. So this one is best by return if flat plus 10% edge. That means that basically you make the most amount of money if the stock, the filter at least, it's gonna filter by stock, that if the stock doesn't move and you got a 10% edge, you make your money. Basically, the edge, just so you know, I like to filter by edge. The higher the edge means the more income you are receiving based on history. So if you are collecting, I don't know, 200 bucks, but the edge is like 10%, that means that that based on history you should have collected 180, give or take, roughly. Okay, so this is a good option. Let's see what else we got in here. Maybe do something interesting, something else. Best by win rate. Best by win rate is also good. Plus 10% edge. This is the key. This is like the solid. Every screener that I go on Market Chameleon, the first thing that I go is either the maximum edge or the maximum win rate. So let's click here. We'll probably do the next video. Or you can do it by yourself. Go bearish crossover plus theoretical edge, and stocks in downtrend plus theoretical edge. Let's just click here and see what we got. Best by win rate plus 10% edge, and let's see all the results. Now remember, we had, let it load for a minute, we had 1,400 pages. We are down to 18 pages only, but my goal is to find stocks that I can sell those calls in a bearish outlook. Okay, but I also want to stay safe, so I'm gonna go with the Amazon, the Tesla, the SPY, the high market cap basically. So let's see what we got. We got 10% edge, 70% win rate. Let's see something that is like 80% win rate. Oracle, they had earnings basically yesterday or 2 days ago. It was 140 and now it's 157. And basically the trade is for this Friday. Okay, so this is something that's how I glance. That's how I work, that's how I glance. Those are all 10%, so this is all the same, even though this is 20 and 18. But I like the win rate, but I'm looking for something that's over 80, 71, 60, 60, 75, all those. And I got to here, 84.9% win rate. Okay, this is just how I filter, and that's what I do. You can do other stuff, and that's it. And over 10% winner. And look at this, the Oracle now 157. Remember, it's post earnings. They already posted the earnings, but while it is a bearish outlook, you still have 3 ways to win, because they went up from 140 to 157. That's like 11% move or something in 48 hours. The trade itself is for tomorrow. Not tomorrow, for Friday. In 2 days from now, there's an event tomorrow, financial analyst meeting. Interesting. So let's see what we got for Oracle. And look at this trade. Look at this trade. 157.40. It tells you to sell the 160 call and buy simultaneously the 165 calls for this Friday. Your collateral is 420 bucks. Okay, 420 bucks, which is your max loss. If Oracle goes above 165, your max profit is collecting $80, but look at this compared to 36. And this is the key with Market Chameleon. You are making 80 bucks compared to 36, almost 3 times more, like 80% more, basically, or 200%, 180% more, because 100% is 72, I don't know, 110% more than double than what you should have got paid in the past. And that's where Market Chameleon shine. They don't tell you, hey, Oracle will go up or down. They just tell you that you are collecting 80, but you should have collected 36, so pay attention to this. You have almost 85% win rate as long as Oracle stays in the next 48 hours under 160. So while this is a bearish outlook strategy, you gotta keep in mind that this Oracle price was 140, 141 just 2 days ago. Now it's 157. Maybe they will just chill for a day or two by expiration, and as long as they close under 160, this all amount is for you. And it says here, if the stock stays flat, if it stays 157, you could make, it depends when it closes, 19% on your money, which is pretty awesome in 2 days. If you multiply that by I don't know, 365 divided by 2, because you do 2 days, 20% times 180. I don't even want to calculate that, but the important thing is that Market Chameleon found you a very interesting trade. I might do it for myself. Let's see what else we got. And if we keep going, this one, Costco, interesting, for 27th of September. This is okay. Costco is pretty high stock, but you don't need a lot of margin for this one. Price $8.92, and the trade itself is sell the 9.15, buy the 9.20 for 2 weeks from now, for September 27. But we got earning September 26. So if you are doing this trade, maybe take the trade off before earnings. Something to consider. Let's see what else we got. This is interesting. Adobe, they have earnings, so I'm gonna ignore this, even though this is a 93% chance of win rate, and so on and so forth. You can filter as much as you want. You can actually filter by win rate, but I like to stick, as I said, to a high market cap. That's why I'm going like one by one instead of just by win rate, basically. But if you do filter by win rate, you see all those 99%. However, I want to find something that I know. Those are all small cap, not really small cap, but still 8 billion is not really small. Win, which is the casino. Let's see what they have for the casino one. This is all for October 4th. Interesting. Just for the example, I'm doing this live. Anything between 10 and 20% edge. Anything with 95% win rate. It's up to you. It's up to you. The price is 75, and you got sell the 79, buy the 82, sell the 80, buy the 84. So if you are bearish on win, but you can also have 3 ways to win. As I said, if the price stays 75, you win. If the price goes down, you win. If the price goes up all the way, for example, for this one, 79.80, all the way up to 79 by October 4, if let's say it closes 78.99, you still win. This is the beauty and the trades and market Chameleon. Look at this. They found you. You make 40 bucks compared to 10 bucks, 4 times more than what you should have made based on history. So this one is the 79.81. So a lot of trade opportunities, a lot of things to consider. You can also, as I said, filter by all of this. I'm not going to go over all of them, but if you want to do stock downtrend plus theoretical edge, let's click here. Those are stocks that are on a downtrend, I assume based on a technical level. So we got a list of 2 pages, okay? And let's filter by market cap or stock, and let's see what we got here. Just for the example, CVX, Chevron. Okay, Chevron at 80% win rate, 16.5 edge. Let's see what this one. Price today, right now, is 138, for example, and it tells you for October 4, sell the 140, buy the 145 if you're bearish on oil and everything after the debate yesterday. That's a trade to consider. And look at this, you collect 148 bucks compared to 90 bucks, which is what you should have collected based on history. So making more income. Market Chameleon finds you trade ideas. This is interesting for Disney. We got a high edge, and the win rate 72%, 31% edge. Let's see this one. Price today 87.84. And it tells you again for October 4 to sell the 87 and buy the 90. So here you are in the money. You are in the money. So your goal is for, so this is a little different. Your goal is for Disney to go below 87. Something to consider. And yeah, and this one has 92% win rate. HUM. I don't know what they are. Let's learn. Humana. Okay. Good to know. 330 bucks. And it tells you to sell the 342.5, buy the 347.5 for the September 13, 2 days from now, and collect 25 bucks. Now, not a lot of edge compared to 20 bucks, but almost 93% win rate, and you needed Humana to stay in 48 hours below 342. And if they don't go anywhere, you made 5%, 5.3% on your money in 48 hours, which is pretty insane. And again, you can go over all of them and see what you see. If you like these trade opportunities and tutorials, 7 days trial for Market Chameleon, link in the description below. I'll see you next time. Yeah.